because without prospecting in this business, we're out of business. So one thing that I always do is warm up a little bit before we just dial the phone. I always start with, "Hi, is this the owner of the home that's for sale?" "Oh, hi, is this the owner of the home that's for sale?" "Oh, good afternoon. Are you the owner of the home that's for sale?" "Oh, hi, John. Are you the owner of the home that's for sale?"
Please leave your message for Colleen.
I believe it's said Colleen. "Yeah, hi. I was calling about the property for sale on Mark A.
FC Tucker, I'm unavailable to take your phone call, but if you leave a message, I will get.
Oh, yeah, hi. You the owner of the property for sale there on Ashbrook?"
Yes.
"Hey, my name's Tim, and your name would be?"
Beasley?
"Pardon me?"
Beasley.
"Beasley. Well, how you doing, Beasley? Once again, my name is Tim. I was actually calling on behalf of Josh with Howard Hanna Real Estate Services. And the only reason for my call today, my friend, was just to see if you were working with or cooperating with any brokers or agents at this time.
I don't want to work with any agent or broker.
You know, I completely respect and understand it. Does that mean that if we had a buyer, and I'm not saying that we do, Kingsley, but if we had one, would you be willing to work with us?
Yes, please.
Pardon? Yeah? Okay, great. You know, I'm going to go out on a limb here. You're doing this on your own to save the money, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? Once again, I completely respect and understand that, my friend. We've been doing this for over 20 years. I understand where you're coming from. Now, if we could show you a way to get that net number you're looking for, put any and all fees on top of that, that wouldn't be a problem for you, would it?
Again?
Said if we could show you a way, what we specialize in, we've done this hundreds of times, is to help you get the net number you're looking for. In other words, you know how much money you want to have in your hands when all is said and done and you walk away. Help you get that net number, and any fees, put them on top of that net number so you get what you want out of this property. If we could do that, that wouldn't be a problem, right?
Man, so
Mm.
received a call from agent on the hotel
Yeah,
today, yesterday,
yeah,
and I don't want to deal with the headache of because everybody wants the line of the contract. That's what I want, and I don't want the line to be on the contract. I want someone to come in and just work out. That's all.
yeah, absolutely. And that's what we specialize in doing, finding that buyer for you. That's what we
Okay.
do. We've done it hundreds and hundreds of times. And that's what we specialize in. But the only way we would know if this would work is for you and Josh to get together for about 20 minutes. Kingsley, your time's valuable. Josh's time is extremely valuable as well. Get together for 20 minutes. Josh can show you what he does. It's so unique and different, and how he attracts so many buyers to his properties. And at that point, Kingsley, if there's a mutual interest, you can move forward. If not, that's perfectly okay as well. I mean, that sounds fair, doesn't it? Do you say yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So would afternoons or mornings be better for you?
Morning is let's like
Yep, let me look at the schedule. Would tomorrow or Thursday be better?
tomorrow will be better.
Tomorrow, okay. And let's say about 11:30 a.m.
Yes, please.
Okay, great. Now, we'll be meeting at the property there on Ashbrook.
I want us to meet there.
Yeah, we can meet there, or did you have another place to meet?
Yeah, we can meet there. Okay. All right.
Meet right there at the property, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. And once again, Kingsley, what Josh will be doing, he'll do an enormous amount of work to make sure he brings extremely accurate information, Kingsley. He'll go through all that information with you tomorrow at about 11:30 a.m. And once again, if there's a mutual interest, move forward. If not, that's perfectly okay as well, my friend.
Okay. Thank
Okay?
you.
Wonderful. Have a great day. Bye-bye.